Hey, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, everyone. We covered DB2 Warehouse target in previous demo, but today we'll be replicating data to Kafka target using changelog business goal for the IBM data replication on cloud. So let's get
So I
started.
have created a connection asset. One is the IBM DB on cloud, another one is Kafka. So let's create the replication asset. This cluster seems to be responding slow a bit today. So here I'm choosing changelog Kafka as the name. I'm selecting the business goal as changelog. Moving on to next step, source option. I'm choosing IBM DB2 on cloud. Selecting data. I have prepared the same changelog demo schema. Doesn't have any table. Let me create a table. Okay, table got created. Let me do a couple of inserts. Okay, so this table is part of it. I'm choosing target as Kafka 20 Kafka. So here for Kafka DDL changelog type, we are only supporting log and apply DDL. Other options like a schema evolution within same changelog table or schema evolution with a new changelog table, those options are not available for Kafka. Since to support those options, we would require the permission to auto create the topics. And what I heard get it that generally customer is reluctant to give the permission to auto create those topics. Log DDL information to topic. Once we have selected this, then it will log all the DDL information in the selected topic. And here I'm selecting DDL change log. If this was not checked, then this feature will be disabled. Same thing like log transaction ID to commit timestamp mapping information to topic. If I select it, then it will log the transaction ID to commit timestamp mapping in the selected topic. Otherwise, this if it is unchecked, then this feature remain disabled. And then these are the by default. We have all these 4 changelog column added. As mentioned, sequence is the mandatory column, but the rest all can be modified and removed if required. So these are the only differences with the UI when comparing with DB2 warehouse target. Here I'll select the target topic as demo. I have prepared it. I'll review and then now create it. It's creating the application asset now. Meanwhile, I'll show you the status of this topic. It doesn't have any records in this. DDL changelog demo and transaction ID commit timestamp. None of this topic is having any record. Okay, the application asset is created. I'll start it. Choose changelog demo. It will take a few minutes to start and then do the sync of the table which we had. Like we had one table which it created. So let's look at monitor the topic. I think it still doesn't edit any record in this. We will be seeing the same create table entry or sync. Let's wait for a second. It's started. It's still yet to create a table. Initial infrastructure. An audit for Kafka. Okay, it has completed the sync. Let's look at the target topic. You can see DDL changelog topic is having one record, and this is where the DML is going. It's having 2 record. So let's look at it. This one first. So you see, it's recorded all the information like on which table this was DDL, what was the DDL, time, and etc. sequence. There'll be one header to giving the schema evolution counter. Like this will be incremented on each DDL operation. Then DMLs, we are seeing two records got logged. These are the records. There'll be one header representing output sequence. IIDR output sequence. Yeah, this one. Now I'll do a few DMLs. Okay, going back. Let's do some DML. Okay, I had done this to insert. Now doing an update and then doing a delete. Let's look at the target. So I see new DML operation got replicated. I'll sort it as newest first. You can see this is the delete. Then these were the update after, update before, followed by, and then these were to insert. I had done it. So I'll do some more DDLs on it now. Uh, I'm adding a column. This column got added. Now I'm doing one more DML here. Now let's look at the target topics. I'll first look at DDL, DDL change log, message. You can see new record is inserted. It's inserted the DDL information as add column DDL. It's having everything. So I'll go back. After DDL, I had done one DML. Let's review that. Okay, this is the new record got inserted. I see the transaction ID is ending with 3554. Let's look at the third topic. So 35. This is the record got inserted correspond to that transaction ID, and here is the timestamp. So this topic is just populating the mapping with the transaction ID to commit timestamp. Let's go back and do some more detail. So I'm creating a table. This table doesn't have a primary key. Okay, this table got created, doing a couple of DML on it. Okay, let's review target topics. DL change log. You can see new record got inserted. It's on table dash 2. And this is the create table statement which was used. And then let's look at the topic of DML. And this is these were the two records which was inserted in this. It's a sequence is continuing from previous record. Okay, let's do a truncate. Okay, I executed the truncate on the test table. Let's go back and review the data. We can see this truncate got logged. There is no other impact of this truncate. So topic doesn't get truncated on the truncate operation. Let's do some more operation. This is the DML. And then I'm doing a drop column. Dropping column requires me to run a reorg on the DB2. Okay. Let's look at the target now. We first did the DML. So this was the DML we had done and it got replicated. And then after that, we did the DDL. And let's see. This is the DDL drop column got logged here. So let's do some more of this one. Okay, I'm doing one DML. And then I'm doing one rename table. Let's see. So here test2 got renamed. This was the renamed we executed on the source. This was the DML we had done on the source before the rename. Now let's do, I'm doing an insert on renamed table. Let's see. Okay, I think I need to do the refresh. Okay, this insert got replicated on renamed table. So now I'll just do drop, dropping the rename and drop the test. So let's look at the DDL topic. This was the dropping of renamed table, and this was the DDL executed on test. That's all I had for today.